Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Canva Brand Kit and Team Controls detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Canva Brand Kit and Team Controls, start by logging into your Canva account. Once you're logged in, look for the Home button on the left side of the screen. Click on Brand Kit, which is usually located in the left-hand menu. If this is your first time accessing the Brand Kit, you may be prompted to set up your brand profile. Select Create Brand Kit to begin the setup process. You will need to enter your brand name and logo. Upload your brand logo by clicking on the Upload button. You can also add brand colors by entering hex codes or using the Color Picker tool. Next, add your brand fonts by browsing through the available options and selecting your desired styles. Once you've uploaded your logo and set your colors and fonts, save your changes. For Team Controls, navigate back to the home page. Click on the Team button in the left sidebar. If you don't have a team yet, click on Create a Team to start forming your team. Invite team members by entering their email addresses. Choose their roles by selecting from the available permissions, such as admin or member. After your team members accept the invitations, they will have access to the Brand Kit. Make sure to review team permissions periodically to ensure everyone has the appropriate access. Finally, ensure that all your brand assets are correctly organized within the Brand Kit for easy access. Now you are ready to utilize your Brand Kit across your Canva designs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.